Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the TeSys Island. I'm your host Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can upload the actual configuration from the TeSys Island. So what we need is to have some and then the DTM. So let's go to some. Once you open some, in order to check if you have the DTM, you just need to go here at the top and check if you have the DTM for the TeSys Island. Here I got this one, and I believe it's not the latest one. Then you need to check if the firmware and the DTM is compatible with the SOMO that you have, but that would be another story. So now that you have this open, you must know which is the IP address of the bus coupler, otherwise we are not able to connect. So here we just edit connection. We just need to select Modbus TCP. Over here in the advanced settings, we just need to put the IP address. If you're not 100% sure or you have more TeSys Island, then you can select arrange or all, and then it will scan everything. But in my case, I know the IP address, so I'm going to use single. Then you just need to scan devices. Just select this one, connect. You must read this, okay, and then the SOMO is retrieving the information from the bus coupler, and then there we go. I have the connection with the bus coupler and reading everything. So now I can disconnect from the device and save this in my computer, and then share it with anyone that needs it. Okay, in order to check what I have done. So this is how you can connect to the TeSys Island to upload the configuration, and then if you want you can make changes, but that would be for another story. So this is how you can retrieve the configuration, and then you can save it using SOMO with just the icon for save over there on the file. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.